BigBeluga's Liquidity Zones indicator on TradingView is designed to highlight areas where price may be sitting near meaningful liquidity using pivot highs and lows that are filtered by volume strength. Instead of marking every swing, it focuses on the zones that show stronger participation, which helps clean up the chart and keep attention on the levels that may matter more. The indicator does more than place a line at a recent high or low. It builds a visible zone around the pivot and extends a level outward, making it easier to monitor where price may later return, test, or move through. The volume filter can be set to low, mid, or high, depending on whether the trader wants a broader view of activity or a more selective view of stronger zones. The indicator also provides two display modes. In simple mode, the zone height is based on average true range, which keeps the spacing more consistent. In dynamic mode, the zone distance adjusts with normalized volume, so areas with stronger activity can appear larger. This helps the zone size reflect the level of participation around that pivot rather than using the same visual weight for every area. The color intensity also adds context. Zones with higher volume are shown more prominently, while lower volume zones appear less pronounced. This can make it easier to separate lighter areas of activity from zones that may deserve closer review. As price moves back into one of these zones, the indicator tracks whether the level has been traded through. When that happens, the line changes to a dashed style. The box text updates to liquidity grabbed, and a circle marker appears on the chart. In practical terms, this gives a clear visual cue that price has moved through a previously marked liquidity area. In a broader trading approach, these zones are best treated as areas of interest rather than signals on their own. They can help frame where previous liquidity has formed, where that liquidity may have been cleared, and where a reaction may be worth reviewing. However, the reading becomes more useful when it is combined with market structure, trend direction, support and resistance, or confirmation from price action. It is also important to recognize the limitations. Liquidity zones do not predict direction by themselves. In choppy or low volume conditions, price may move through several zones without clear follow-through. For that reason, the indicator should be used to organize context, not to replace analysis. In short, BigBeluga's Liquidity Zones indicator helps make liquidity areas easier to monitor visually. It combines pivot structure, volume filtering, zone display modes, and liquidity grab markers to provide a more organized view of potential reaction areas on the chart.